Jose, this is a 1964,
Yeah, this is a Volvo 1964.
a Volvo 122S, right?
That's correct.
You know, we don't see many of these in the mainland very
Okay.
often. Are there a lot of them on Puerto Rico?
Yeah, there are lots of this model in Puerto Rico. A lot.
Really? So can you still get all the parts for it when you need?
Yes, we find the parts in the United States and Sweden.
How long have you had this car?
I have this car 20 years.
Wow.
The-
And did you? I mean, it looks restored.
yeah, this is the first paint job from the original.
So
This
it's
is
been repainted once.
It was repainted.
How long ago?
20 years.
Oh, so you restored it 20
Yeah,
years ago?
yeah,
Wow.
20 years ago.
It holds up pretty well.
Yeah, thank you.
It
Thank
looks
you.
nice, yeah. Now, how are these to drive? I've never driven one of these.
It's a good car because he got 4-speed and rides smoothly.
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
Oh. Well, you know, you must have redone the interior here because that looks all restored too.
Yeah.
And did you have that? I mean, did you have that done here in Puerto Rico?
See, I make this work in Puerto Rico.
And you made it yourself?
Yeah, I made it.
You sewed them yourself?
Yeah, yeah.
Wow, that's impressive.
Yeah, thank you.
Quite a long shift lever there. I mean, it
See.
really brings it back almost like a truck, isn't it?
It's the same. It's the same way from a truck.
Is it?
Yeah.
And a kind of a conventional, very 60s looking speedometer,
Yeah.
but you put in some modern tunes.
Yeah. I like the music.
We all do.
Yeah, I do.
You know, and it's a very roomy car. This is a big back seat for a
Yeah.
small car, I think. And you did the back seats too, eh?
Yeah, I did all and the roofs either.
Oh, you did the headliner
Yeah.
too? Wow. Yeah, she's in really nice shape. You know, there's a surprising amount of chrome on this car. And is it chrome or is it stainless steel?
Yeah, it's stainless
It's
steel.
actually stainless steel,
It's
yeah. Because
stainless
when I said chrome at first, I looked at it, but there's none of the checking that you
Okay.
see with chrome, and it's nice and in good shape. The bright work is in good shape. And it's, you know, even from the back, it's a good-looking car, I
Yeah.
think. Now, B18, it's a 122S, but it's B18. What does
See.
that mean?
B18 means benzene in Sweden.
So benzene, that's gasoline.
It's
benzene.
gasoline.
Okay, so it's a
Ah.
gas engine, not a diesel engine.
Not a diesel engine.
And the 18?
And the 18 means 1.8 liter.
Oh, okay. Is the engine in nice shape?
Yes,
Good-looking engine?
it's a nice, yeah.
Can we have a look at it?
Yeah.
All right, let's go.
Okay, let's go.
Oh yeah, you have dressed it up a little bit, haven't you?
Yeah, I dress up a little bit. I like the chrome.
Yeah, chrome is nice. So it wouldn't have had the chrome valve cover originally. You chromed that, chrome air cleaners. You even chromed your carburetors.
The carburetor, see.
Did it come dual carbureted?
See, these are SU2 twin carburetor from England.
Yeah. But that's what came on the car originally?
Yeah, this original equipment.
But it's a pretty small engine. I mean, that's 1,800 cc's, but it's packed in there, isn't it?
Packed there, yeah.
And did you do all of this? Did you have to restore the engine?
All the job was restored when the engine was pulled out and poured in together.
You did it all at once?
All at once.
Wow. And runs strong?
Run strong.
Wow. Is this a fun car to drive?
It's a good fun to drive.
Is it very fast?
Fast,
Really?
very fast. 100 miles. You got the 100 miles.
You can do it. You can do 100 miles an hour.
You can do it.
Wow. How many horsepower?
95 horsepower.
Well, that's good. Now, have you ever been to this show before?
Yeah, 15 years.
Oh, 15 years.
15 years.
Wouldn't miss it, right?
Well, I don't miss this show. It's a nice show in Puerto Rico forever.
It is.
Yeah.
And there's so many different cars here. I really love it. Well, close her back up, Jose.
Okay, thank you.
I think she's a beautiful car. I think your paint job has held up really well for 20 years. That's pretty amazing. And you do nice work.
Thank you.
Thanks for sharing
Thank
your
you,
car.
Dennis. I want to see you again the next year.
All right. I would
Okay.
love to come back to Puerto
Okay,
Rico. It's
thank
such
you.
a wonderful place.
Okay, thank you.
Thanks.
Okay.